All right, y'all, taking a look at FLUX on the weekly time frame. I'm going to be doing a short to medium term analysis here. If you want to see the macro analysis and bull run price prediction for FLUX, go on over to the YouTube channel here, click under the videos tab, and you will find about 2 weeks ago a FLUX crypto bull run price prediction video. Go check that out and get the full in-depth rundown of what we can expect in the next cycle. But looking at price action today, here are my tokenomics. I'm going to remove those from the chart, and we're going to zoom in here on the weekly time frame. You can see that FLUX is coming down and bouncing off of the value area low. Now, with FLUX and really any altcoin, you have to understand that its performance is usually, almost always dependent upon Bitcoin making a move. So we expect Bitcoin to make a little bit of dip in July, early on in July, maybe the first day or two, and then rip. So we're expecting a good summer rally. And if we get that, we want to look for altcoins that are positioned for strong bounces, stronger than other alts. And FLUX is one of them, in my opinion. I'm going to show you why. So if I zoom out and pull up Cypher and Bjorn, the Bjorn indicator is at the bottom. This is a custom indicator that I developed and you can only get in my VIP Discord. Join us at anthonyleecrypto.com. I will pin a comment down below. You can join us and you can get this indicator. It is a volatility over stochastic indicator. But coming down on the weekly time frame to a key level, value area low, you can see that FLUX is creating bullish divergence. This is a weekly time frame, so it is a powerful divergence, although it is unconfirmed. Also, if you look down at the bottom on the Bjorn indicator, you can see the multicolored line has just ticked back to the upside, and it is near extreme levels. This means volatility is picking up. Now that it has ticked back up and it is at an elevated level, the direction of the volatility will depend upon the stochastic line, which is the gray line, which has just now ticked back to the upside, slightly sideways, but it is ticked up. I'll zoom in so you can see it has just ticked up. Okay, so this means we can expect a big move to the upside incoming. Of course, asterisk that Bitcoin cooperates, okay? You can see the last time we got the tick up to extremes here in volatility was back here, and stochastic was pointed to the downside, and you got this big leg down. So we could be looking for the inverse here with the big leg up, which brings me to a target. Where can we look for this to go? Being that it is a weekly time frame, we can look for a bigger move. So I would target the key level that I have marked above. You can see this key level has been good support and resistance each and every time we've come up to it. Even back here when we came, support there, excuse me. And when we lost it, that has been the leg down, and we've been unable to get back above it. So I would look for a move at least up to there, which from the low would be a 100% move up, guys. I would look for that. Probably get a rejection there first pass, and then we'll see if we come back to it after that. But I would look for something like this, reject, and then we'll play it by ear. If we come back through and flip it, we can look for a much larger move up. But I would look for at least a 100% move up if we get the summer rally on Bitcoin that we're counting on. Some of your alts may do a 30, 40, 50% rally, but with this big weekly signal firing off on FLUX, you can look for this to be one of the stronger alts. It is going to catch people off guard. But here in the Anthony Lee Crypto Crew, we are ready for this. We are positioned for this, and we're looking forward to a 100% pump. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing regular FLUX and other altcoin updates along the way. I will link a video right now to the macro bull run price prediction for FLUX, so check that out as well. I'll see you guys next time.